If you find yourself facing an account review on Coinbase, it is important to understand the process and how to navigate it effectively. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the steps. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with what an account review entails. Coinbase may conduct reviews for various reasons, including compliance with regulations or suspicious activity. Knowing the reasons can help you prepare. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any communication from Coinbase regarding the review. They often send emails outlining the reason for the review and any required actions. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 3. Gather required documentation. Prepare any necessary documents that Coinbase may request. This could include identification, proof of address, or transaction history. Having these ready can expedite the review process. Step 4. Respond promptly. If Coinbase requests information or documentation, respond as quickly as possible. Delays in your response can prolong the review process. Ensure that you provide clear and accurate information. Step 5. Monitor your account status. Keep an eye on your Coinbase account for updates regarding the review. You can also check your email for any notifications. If the review takes longer than expected, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance. In conclusion, handling an account review on Coinbase can be straightforward if you stay informed and responsive. Following these steps will help you navigate the process more smoothly.